abiding heart, sacred heart, shrine of light, shine your beams, make us one at heart. Children of the heart, we join our hands to love, to learn, to grow together. Children of the heart, we join our souls to dare to dream, to live for the other. Master benign, anchor divine, hallowed be thy home, amen. Grant us to bless, grant us love, all that proclaim thy grandeur and love. Sacred heart, abode of light, shine on bright, abiding heart, sacred heart, shrine of light, shine your beams, make us one at heart, make us one at heart, make us one at heart.
Hello, good morning all. Good morning all.
Good evening, sir.
സാബുവച്ചനുണ്ട്. കുസുമലേശം വന്നില്ലേ? പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ അച്ഛൻ ഇപ്പൊ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യും. Then we will start the meeting.
Okay.
അച്ഛൻ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അച്ഛൻ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തു. പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ അച്ഛാ.
Yes.
അച്ഛാ തുടങ്ങാം.
Okay. Start ചെയ്തോട്ടോ.
റോബി ദിദിമോ സാറേ. ഹലോ.
Hello.
ദിദി.
Stopping by the shimmering shores of time, musing on the timeless truth sublime. Seek aside a gleam on flaming wings. Sacred heart, the soul enchanted sings. Blessed are we on this praising shore, blissfully gleaning pearls of lore. Pilgrims on these pastures green, seeking joy into lands unseen. Sacred hearts, abode of light, shine on bright, abiding hearts. Sacred heart, shrine of light, shine your beams, make us one at heart.
Children of the heart, we join our hands to love, to learn, to grow together. Children of the heart, we join our souls to dare to dream, to live for the other.
Master benign, anchor divine, hallowed be thy home name. Grant us to bless, grant us love, all that proclaim thy grandeur and love. Sacred hearts, abode of light, shine on bright, abiding hearts. Sacred heart, shrine of light, shine your beams, make us one at heart, make us one at heart, make us one at heart.
അച്ഛാ.
Yeah. ഇത് തുടങ്ങിക്കോളൂ presentation.
Yes. Can I present? I have prepared a presentation on the college. Can I present it now?
Yeah, please do.
Yeah, please. Yes. It shows I cannot present my screen.
What happened?
It says sorry, an error has occurred when screen sharing. So I have that video in YouTube. If you can present it, would you please present?
Yeah, how can we do that?
Yeah, I have posted the video in YouTube and send the link to everybody. Would you please present?
Okay, let us see. To whom have you sent it?
To everyone.
Robbie, please. റോബി സാർ കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ?
എന്നാ ഇപ്പൊ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ വെച്ച് സംസാരിക്കട്ടെ. അത് കഴിയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് ഞങ്ങളത് റെഡിയാക്കാം. റോബി സാറോട് എന്നെ ഒന്ന് വിളിക്കാൻ പറ.
Hello everyone. Am I visible? Yes.
No. Yes.
Yeah, I think there is hardly any of the students who are supposed to be here at present. So ideally we would await the students because it is for them. The likely candidates that we have arranged this program. I can find just a couple of them or 3 or 4 of them. Maybe they have some questions to ask. We will wait for them. But all the same, our Student Development Office and the Deanery of Student Services have jointly organized this program with the Admissions Office. Finding the various queries the students are having, the candidates are having. So this is an open forum kind of thing to introduce the college and its programs to you, and also try to sort out the queries you are having, the doubts you are having regarding the courses, the programs, the process of admission, the various procedure to be followed in this process, etc. So that is the purpose of this forum. Making the right choice. Are you making the right choice, and in what manner can you make your choice better and brighter? We are very glad that some of you will join us and will try to clarify your doubts. Maybe you will get some picture of Sacred Hearts soon by the presentation which has been already made. So I don't want to elaborate on that. As the questions come by and by, maybe I will also respond. Sacred Heart College is situated in Kochi, in Ernakulam, in Tevra. Tevra is a small hamlet, small island, which is no longer having the feel of an island because it's only about 2 or 3 square kilometer in area, and it used to be one tip of Ernakulam, but now it is all well connected from all sides, and it has become kind of a hub and a very coveted residential area, an educational hub as well, with a few schools and a college and a training center, and from kindergarten to PhD, all sorts of education being available in this small locality. It is also very thickly populated, and it is surrounded by the Vembanad water body, the lake, the backwaters of Vembanad. So scenically a very beautiful place, but very close to the heart of Kochi city. It is just 4 kilometers to the bus stand, about 3.5 kilometers to the railway station, and on the one side of the college is the naval headquarters of the Southern Naval Headquarters. On the other side, you can find the shipyard, and on another side, we have the beautiful islands of Nettur and Kumbalam. So this is Tevra. We are very glad to have students to our programs. There will be altogether 40 programs offered on the campus. Some 22 of them in the undergraduate level and 18 of them in the graduate level. We also offer 7 PhD programs And if the climate is conducive, we have also three MPhil programs which are already and used to be offered. And if there are the right kind of academic environment, then we will be willing to offer that again. We have a very resourceful team of faculty members with almost 170 of them on the campus, and of them about 70 of them PhDs, and quite a few pursuing or at the verge of completing the PhD, and the rest of them are all well qualified, experienced. So we have a mix of experience and youthfulness combined together in our faculty team. So I welcome you all, the aspiring candidates, to be part of our campus, the continuity of the campus life. Thank you and welcome.
Sir, presentation
Yeah, I think the
വരുന്ന
presentation is ready now, and I think the students will get a feel of what the presentation is. If there is any delay, students are free to pose their queries as well, and we will try to respond to you. Our team is around; they are all set to clarify and help you out.
Sir, Dean,
Dean Commerce, let him speak.
Our Commerce Dean, Dr. Joseph George. I believe he's around, and he's a young research guide on the campus who was educated in Kochi itself and completed his PhD. He's also our NCC officer for the Air Wing. I request him to share a few words as we conclude this presentation.
presentation ആയിട്ടില്ല.
Good evening. Good evening, Prashant Acha, Principal, dear teachers, colleagues, and dear students. We are also equally excited the way you are excited to come to this campus, beautiful campus. Even though Principal just mentioned the highlights of this respectable institution, we've completed 75th year of our establishment last year. Even though it's COVID and lockdown days, but the management, the entire staff, and the team here is leaving no stone unturned to welcome the new students to the campus, to this new academic year. We're very hopeful that we all be happy to have you all in the campus very soon. Campus is getting ready. It's getting even more beautiful day by day. We are doing all the preparations. The entire team, like Father Principal just mentioned, we are doing everything possible to make sure your admission process goes smoothly. If you have any queries, any doubts, maybe the slightest of the doubt, don't feel shy or ashamed. That's why we have an exclusive session here. So happy to find or help you out those admission process. You can ask any doubts. You are even free to post your comment on the message box. We'll try to reply to it. So hope that your admission process, everything goes smoothly, making sure you don't have any doubts while doing it. You can always ask us. That is why we have an exclusive platform today, 1 hour session, live session, where you can ask us any questions, query. We'll try to answer that. So you can post your doubts or queries on the message chat box. After the presentation, which is we're trying to do that, we're trying to fix a small technical nag that's happened. We will try to get back to you shortly on that and clear all your doubts. Thank you. Really looking forward to having you all in our campus very soon. Thank you.
I hope the presentation is ready, then we can launch it.
Sacred Heart College is an autonomous college affiliated to MG University in the state of Kerala. It was established in 1944 by the Carmelites of Mary Immaculate, CMI, a Catholic religious order for men. The founding fathers of the college are Reverend Father John Berkman, CMI, and Reverend Father Francis Salas, CMI. The college started with 3 intermediate and 3 degree programs affiliated to Madras University. The college has won R. Shankar Award for the best college in the state by the Kerala government twice. UGC has granted the college the position of a college with potential for excellence. It has been in the best in the state and among the best 50 in the country by India Today Week National Ranking Survey all through the years. It is also been ranked as one of the premier institutions in the country by the National Institutional Ranking Framework. SH College has bagged overall championship in the MG University Cultural Fest in the last 3 years. The college also excels in sports by winning many sports events of the university such as cricket, handball, basketball, volleyball, etc. all through its history. The college is proud to be a breeding ground of many luminaries who are serving the state and the nation in various fields. Motto of the college: Cor rectum ingrit scientiam, means a righteous heart seeks after wisdom. The vision of the college: fashioning of an enlightened society founded on relentless pursuit of excellence, a secular outlook on life, a thirst for moral values, as well as an unflinching faith in God. Mission of the college: to provide an environment that facilitates the holistic development of the individual, that enables the students to play a vital role in the nation building process and contributes to the progress of humanity, that disseminates knowledge even beyond the academia, that instills in the students a feel for frontier disciplines and cultivates a concern for the environment by setting lofty standards in the ever-evolving teacher-learner interface. Based on the vision and mission, the college has identified 8 Hartian attributes which will lead the students to have a Hartian DNA as they complete the course. Hartian graduate attributes. 1. Faith in God and faith in oneself. Since the college is run by a Catholic Christian management, the very first attribute it envisions to instill in the students is an unflinching faith in divine providence that will unfailingly lead them to have a greater self-confidence. 2. Physical and mental fitness. The college believes that only a physically and mentally fit person can contribute substantially to the society towards nation building. 3. Self-awareness and emotional intelligence. That is the need of the hour, as both these attributes could empower an individual into encounter any challenging situations in life. 4. Intercultural and ethical mindset, evidenced through enthusiasm to serve humanity and the planet. The college organizes social service programs for the students in accordance with its conviction that education does not serve its purpose unless it propels him or her into serving humanity and the planet. 5. Critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and research aptitude. These are major attributes expected of an academic scholar, as they would enable him or her to be free of bias and to have intellectual integrity. 6. Deep discipline knowledge. The academic environment and experience on the campus are sure to deepen the domain knowledge of the students in their respective disciplines. Seven, readiness to take the first step, leadership qualities. The college organizes many additional skill development programs and add-on courses so that the students at the end of their course will emerge as inspiring leaders. 8. Teamwork and communication skills, career readiness. The college empowers its graduates to be great team members with efficient communication skills so that they could be employable at any part of the globe. Sacred Heart College has crossed 75 glorious years in its journey as a Platinum Jubilee project. A new campus offering various self-financed courses is on its way of operation. May the Sacred Heart of Jesus, the patron, guide the college into greater heights of glory. Thank you.
By the shimmering shows of time, musing on the timeless truth sublime. Sick inside a gleam on flaming wings. Sacred Heart, soul enchanted saints. Blessed are we on this praising show, blissfully gleaning pearls of lore. Pilgrims on these pastures green, seeking joy in the lands unseen. Sacred Heart, above of light, shine on bright, a blinding heart. Sacred Heart.
Father Sabu, thank you very much. I hope now it is time for us to interact with the aspiring candidates. If they have any queries, they're free to ask their questions and we will try to respond to them. Our team is here. So the candidates are welcome. I am abroad right now. Can we have
Ashwini sir, hello.
പറഞ്ഞോ there is one query message ഒരു മെസ്സേജിൽ ഒരു ചോദ്യം വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് estimated date. Good afternoon, I'm abroad right now, can we have an estimated date for admission process? We think that we will publish the rank list on 11th of August, and depending on the situation, we are planning either to have a online admission process or a direct admission process. Depending on the situation, what the state is going to face, we cannot predict now. So at that time, we will.
Shinu sir?
Endo.
What is the last date for us as of now, which is the closing date for our admission applications?
First August. August 1.
Yes. 1st of August we are closing. And normally in the matter of about 3 or 4 days, normally we are able to bring out the list.
3 or 4 days we will be publishing the provisional rank list, and after that, because we have new programs, some new, they demanded for some more dates. So we will be publishing the final rank list on 11th. First allotment list will be published on 11th as of now.
Okay, fine. Any other queries? Any other questions?
Students or parents, any questions regarding your application filling and applications submitting process? Any difficulty? Are you facing any difficulty regarding?
You can pose your questions in Malayalam or English or even in Hindi. There is no harm. So if you want to pose any questions in any of these languages, you're welcome to do so. Somebody is asking about the hostel facilities.
ജോസച്ചനുണ്ടോ? ഞാൻ മറുപടി പറഞ്ഞോട്ടേച്ചാ. നമുക്ക് ഹോസ്റ്റലുണ്ട്. നമ്മുടെ കോളേജ് റൺ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു ലേഡീസ് ഹോസ്റ്റലും ഉണ്ട്, ഒരു മെൻസ് ഹോസ്റ്റലും ഉണ്ട്. അവിടെ ഏതാണ്ട് 30-40 പിള്ളേർക്ക്, ലേഡീസ് ഹോസ്റ്റലിൽ 30-33 പിള്ളേർക്കും മെൻസ് ഹോസ്റ്റലിലും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ 30-35 പിള്ളേർക്കും താമസിക്കാനുള്ള സൗകര്യമുണ്ട്. അത് കൂടാതെ കോളേജിന്റെ ചുറ്റുമായിട്ട്, കോളേജിനോട് അടുത്ത് കോന്തുരുത്തി ഈ ഒരു 1 കിലോമീറ്റർ ചുറ്റളവിൽ ഏതാണ്ട് 10-30 ഹോസ്റ്റൽസ് പ്രൈവറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് റൺ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇവരുമായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ചില ടൈപ്സ് എന്നല്ല പറയുക, നമ്മൾ അവരുമായിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ ടേംസ് ആൻഡ് കണ്ടീഷൻസ് അവരെ കൊണ്ട് അഗ്രി ചെയ്യിപ്പിച്ച് അവര് നമ്മളുമായിട്ട് ഇൻ ടേംസ് വിത്ത് ദ കോളേജ് റൂൾസ് അവർ റൺ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഹോസ്റ്റൽസ് നമുക്കുണ്ട്. ഏതാണ്ട് കോളേജിൽ ഇപ്പോ ഒരു 2400 പിള്ളേർ പഠിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് എങ്കിൽ അതിലൊരു 800 കുട്ടികൾ എങ്കിലും ഇവിടെ ഹോസ്റ്റലിൽ താമസിക്കുന്നവരാണ്. അവർ ഇൻ ആൻഡ് അറൌണ്ട് 2 കിലോമീറ്റർ ചുറ്റളവിൽ കോളേജിന് അടുത്ത് തന്നെ താമസിക്കുന്ന കുട്ടികളാണ്. കോളേജിന് ഒഫീഷ്യലായിട്ട് കോളേജ് റൺ ചെയ്യുന്ന 2 ഹോസ്റ്റലുകളാണുള്ളത്. അതിന്റെ നമ്പേഴ്സ് നമ്മൾ പ്രോസ്പെക്ടസ് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് നോട്ട്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന അതിനകത്ത് കോളേജിന്റെ 2 ഹോസ്റ്റലിന്റെയും നമ്പേഴ്സ്, അത് കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ആളുകളുടെ പേരും കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അവിടെ വിളിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഹോസ്റ്റൽസ് ബുക്ക് ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്.
നമ്മുടെ 2 ഹോസ്റ്റലുകളും കൂടെ 100 ഈച്ച് ആണ് ശരിക്കും ഇൻടേക്ക്. പക്ഷെ പഴയ സീനിയേഴ്സ് അവിടെ ഉണ്ടാവും. അപ്പോൾ ഓരോ വർഷവും സാർ ഷിനു സാർ സൂചിപ്പിച്ച പോലെ 30 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 40 പേർക്ക് മാത്രമേ അഡ്മിഷൻ കിട്ടുള്ളൂ. ഓൾ ടുഗദർ നമുക്ക് 200 ആണ് നമ്മുടെ കപ്പാസിറ്റി.
I am a science student. Science student നമുക്കുള്ള പ്രോബ്ലം ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ. വി ഹാവ് കൊമേഴ്സ് പഠിച്ച കുട്ടികൾക്ക് മെറിറ്റ് ഇൻഡെക്സ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അവർ പഠിച്ച സബ്ജക്ട്സിനനുസരിച്ച് ചില ബോണസ് പോയിന്റ്സ് കിട്ടും. If science students have that much mark, they may be listed in the merit list.
ഇത് ഞങ്ങളുടെ
സയൻസ് നമ്മുടെ എലിജിബിലിറ്റി ക്രൈറ്റീരിയ പറയുന്നത് +2 or equivalent മാത്രമേ പറയുന്നുള്ളൂ. The problem is that those who have studied commerce സബ്ജക്ട്സ് പഠിച്ച കുട്ടികൾക്ക്, മാത്തമാറ്റിക്സ് പഠിച്ച കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ബോണസ് പോയിന്റ്സ് ഇൻഡെക്സിങ്ങില് കിട്ടും. അപ്പോ മെറിറ്റില് സയൻസ് പഠിച്ച കുട്ടികൾക്ക് പുറകോട്ട് പോകാൻ സാധ്യതയുണ്ട്. അത് പക്ഷേ ഇപ്പോ നമുക്ക് അങ്ങനെ ഒരു പ്രശ്നമില്ല. കാരണം നമുക്ക് സെൽഫ് ഫിനാൻസിങ് സ്ട്രീമില് ഏതാണ്ട് 105 സീറ്റ്, ടാക്സ് ആൻഡ് ഫിനാൻസില് 60 സീറ്റ്, കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ ആപ്ലിക്കേഷനില് 40 സീറ്റ് ട്രാവൽ ആൻഡ് ടൂറിസത്തിലുണ്ട്. So there are chances that science students also get into the course.
Okay.
Allotments will be published. First allotment list will be published on 11th of August as of now. Niranjana Babu. Procedures for applying through management quota, you have to, there is a number given in the prospectus. There is a number given, Father Sebastian John. You have to contact him. Reverend Father Sebastian John, he is the Bursa. He is Sebastian John അച്ഛനുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെടുക. ഫോൺ നമ്പർ പ്രോസ്പെക്ടസിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. നമ്മുടെ വെബ്സൈറ്റ് തുറന്ന അന്നേരം കിട്ടുകയും ചെയ്യും. സെബാസ്റ്റ്യൻ അച്ഛനുണ്ടോ?
Somebody is asking about cut-off marks.
Details and fee structure. Sociology, we have only 30 seats now. There are only 15 merit seats as such. Last year it was 94 cut-off mark. And fee structure for aided stream, it will be around 10,000 rupees, 8,000 to 10,000 rupees depending on different courses. And for self-financing courses, it will be published tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Hello.
Please speak out. Yeah, who is there? You can speak.
Hello, ബിബിക് തോമസ് ആണ്.
Yeah.
ഞാൻ ആദ്യം ബികോം ട്രാവൽ ആൻഡ് ടൂറിസം ഫസ്റ്റ് ചോയ്സ് കൊടുത്തത്.
Okay.
ഹലോ, അപ്പം അതൊന്ന് എഡിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ ഇനി? ഫസ്റ്റ് ചോയ്സ് എയ്ഡഡ്, സെക്കൻഡ് സെൽഫ് ഫൈനാൻസ്, ഫൈനാൻസ് ആൻഡ് ടാക്സേഷൻ, അങ്ങനെ ഒന്ന് എഡിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
Ebin.
ബിബിക് തോമസ്.
Ebin and Rahim. Please answer Ebin and Rahim.
സർ ബോണിയാണ് സർ. അപ്പൊ ഇതിനകത്ത് ഇതിന്റെ
മോർണിംഗ് 9 to 5
അപ്പൊ ആ നമ്പർ വിളിച്ച് എഡിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം അല്ലേ?
ആ നമ്പറിൽ വിളിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഇമെയിൽ ഐ ഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾ രജിസ്റ്റേർഡ് മൊബൈൽ നമ്പറോ തന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടുന്ന് എഡിറ്റ് എനേബിൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അത് പ്രകാരം നിങ്ങൾ ഓർഡർ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാം.
പക്ഷേ ബിബിക് ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു ചോദ്യം ചോദിച്ചു. ടൂറിസം ട്രാവൽ എയ്ഡഡ് സ്ട്രീമും അൺഎയ്ഡഡ് സ്ട്രീമും തമ്മിൽ ഫീസിന്റെ കാര്യത്തിൽ വ്യത്യാസമുണ്ട്. നമ്മൾ എന്തിനാ വേണ്ടി എടുക്കണം എന്നുള്ള കാര്യത്തിൽ മാത്രമേ വ്യത്യാസമുള്ളൂ. ബാക്കി എല്ലാ സ്ട്രീമും ബികോമിന്റെ they fall under same kind of a scheme. നമ്മൾ മോഡൽ 1 പ്രോഗ്രാംസ് ആണ് കോളേജ് ഓഫർ ചെയ്യുന്ന എല്ലാ ബികോം. അപ്പോൾ 4 ബാച്ച് ഉണ്ടാവും. 4 ബാച്ചിന്റെയും ഒരേ സ്കീമാണ്, ഒരേ സ്ട്രീമാണ്. അതിന് മോഡൽ 1 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അതിൽ നിങ്ങൾ ഏതെങ്കിലും സ്പെഷ്യലൈസേഷൻ നമ്മൾ 32ഓളം വിഷയങ്ങളുള്ളതിൽ 4 വിഷയങ്ങൾ മാത്രമേ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നുള്ളൂ. സെക്കൻഡ് ഇയറിലും തേർഡ് ഇയറിലും വരുമ്പോൾ ഓരോ സെമസ്റ്റർ ഒരു വിഷയം. അതുകൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഭാവിക്ക് നിങ്ങൾ ഏത് സ്ട്രീം ചൂസ് ചെയ്താലും പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് ഒരു ഡിസഡ്വാൻറ്റേജ് അതുകൊണ്ട് ഉണ്ടാകുന്നില്ല. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏത് ബികോം കിട്ടിയാലും ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് സെയിം ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് അങ്ങനെ ഒരു പ്രശ്നമില്ല. പിന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ഏരിയസ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതനുസരിച്ച് ചൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് അപാകതയില്ല. പക്ഷേ ഇതുകൊണ്ട് എലിജിബിൾ ഫോർ എനി ഹയർ സ്റ്റഡി, എനി അതർ പ്രോഗ്രാം, CA അങ്ങനെയുള്ള പോകാൻ ഇതിനൊന്നും ഒരു പ്രശ്നവും ഇതുകൊണ്ട് ഉണ്ടാകുന്നില്ല. അപ്പോൾ ധൈര്യമായിട്ട് ഏതിനു വേണമെങ്കിലും കൊടുത്തോളൂ. ഡിപ്പെൻഡിങ് ഓൺ യുവർ
ഫസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് എയ്ഡഡ് കൊടുക്കാനായിരുന്നു ഞാൻ അന്ന് ഫസ്റ്റ്
പറഞ്ഞല്ലോ. അതിപ്പോ ചെയ്യാൻ നിങ്ങളെ സഹായിക്കും. നിങ്ങളത് പക്ഷേ നിങ്ങൾ വിളിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഉടനെ കിട്ടണമെന്നില്ല. കാരണം ഈ ദിവസങ്ങളെല്ലാം വളരെയധികം എൻഗേജ്ഡ് ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് യു മേ ട്രൈ മേബി വൺസ് ഓർ ട്വൈസ്. കേട്ടോ? ആരും പ്രസന്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ദയവായിട്ട് ആരും പ്രസന്റ് ചെയ്ത് അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ആളുകൾ ആരും പ്രസന്റ് ചെയ്യാതിരിക്കുക. സ്റ്റോപ്പ് പ്രസന്റിങ്. ആ പ്രസന്റിംഗ് എന്നുള്ള കാര്യം ഒന്നും മാറുക. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഡിസ്റ്റർബൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. ഏതോ ഒരാൾ പ്രസന്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. പാട്രിക് ഷിമി പ്ലീസ് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് പ്രസന്റിങ്. ആ പ്രസന്റിംഗ് എന്നുള്ളതിൽ നിന്ന് മാറുക. പാട്രിക് ഷിമി.
Good evening, Father. We have just got in.
Yeah, welcome.
So I just want some clarification for my daughter.
That's okay. Welcome.
Hello.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, BCom with computer application. I just want to know what was the cutoff last year.
Shinu sir,
96% for merit seats. 96 general merit 96%.
96%. Okay.
Yeah.
അത് നമുക്ക് ഓരോ വർഷത്തെ
Total percentage or percentile or any other calculation, or it's a flat percentage of all the marks?
No, we are calculating. നമ്മൾ ഇൻഡെക്സ് കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇവരുടെ സബ്ജക്റ്റിന് കിട്ടിയ മാർക്ക്, പാർട്ട് 3 ഓപ്ഷനിന് കിട്ടിയ മാർക്ക്. മലയാളം കംഫർട്ടബിൾ ആണല്ലോ അല്ലേ പറയാൻ? Or should I switch to English?
കേൾക്കാം. പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
നമ്മള് ഇവരുടെ പാർട്ട് 3 ഓപ്ഷനിൽ കിട്ടിയ മാർക്കുകളാണ് ബേസിക് ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കുന്നത്. അതിന്റെ കൂട്ടത്തില് കുറെ 12 സബ്ജക്ട് നമ്മൾ ലിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട് പ്രോസ്പെക്ടസില്. കൊമേഴ്സ്, അക്കൗണ്ടിങ്, മാത്തമാറ്റിക്സ്, ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു 12 സബ്ജക്ട് ഉണ്ട്. അത് പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. 50 മാക്സിമം 200 അതോടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്താണ് ഇൻഡെക്സ് കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്.
Hello. Yeah, John Baiju, please stop presenting and kindly check the message for the cutoff marks. Thank you.
Yeah, Joseph has put a message. Cutoff mark for BA English. We have just Divya cutoff mark for English was 96 again. 96. It was 96 last year in the first allotment.
BCom
Joseph sir, please. Joseph sir.
Madam, BCom computer application last year cutoff was 96%. I've already posted in the message box. If you can look at the message box, for aided last year it was 99.8. BCom CA it was 96. BCom self-financing taxation was 98. BCom travel and tourism self-financing was 95. This is last year's cutoff marks which I'm mentioning.
Okay, അതിന്റെ കാൽക്കുലേഷൻ എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് ഒന്നുകൂടി ഒന്ന് എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്യാവോ? മനസ്സിലായില്ലത്.
നമ്മുടെ പാർട്ട് 3 ഓപ്ഷനിൽ കിട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്ന മാർക്കുകൾ, പാർട്ട് 3 ആയ പിള്ളേർ പഠിച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന പാർട്ട് 3 ഇല്ലേ,
അക്കൗണ്ട്സ്, ബിസിനസ്, എക്കണോമിക്സ്,
അക്കൗണ്ടൻസി, ബുക്ക് കീപ്പിംഗ്, അക്കൗണ്ടൻസി ആൻഡ് AFS ഇങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞ് പാർട്ട് 3 4 സബ്ജക്ട് ഉണ്ടാവും. ആ പാർട്ട് 3 മാർക്കിന്റെ കൂടെ അവർക്ക് ഈ ഓപ്ഷണൽ സബ്ജക്ട്സ് 12 നമ്മൾ പ്രോസ്പെക്ടസിൽ ലിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഏതിനൊക്കെയാ 50 മാർക്സ് ഈച്ച് ടു എ മാക്സിമം ഓഫ് 150 മാർക്സ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യും. പിന്നെ അഡീഷണൽ NSS, NCC ഇതിനൊക്കെ പാർട്ടിസിപ്പേഷൻ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിന് ബോണസ് പോയിന്റ്സ് അത് മാർക്ക് ചെയ്താണ് ഇൻഡെക്സ് കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്.
ഹലോ. സർ, ഫസ്റ്റ് അലോട്ട്മെന്റ് എപ്പോഴാ വരിക?
11th of August.
Sariza Muji, can you stop presenting?
Hello sir, BSc Physics or BSc Maths in the cutoffs ഒന്ന് പറയാമോ?
ഷിനു സാർ കട്ടോഫ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോ എനിക്ക്
കട്ടോഫ് കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷത്തെ അച്ഛാ നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ കഴിഞ്ഞ പ്രാവശ്യം മറ്റേ സയൻസ് സബ്ജക്ട്സിന്റെ പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല അച്ഛാ.
മൈ ഡിയർ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്, ഇപ്പൊ കട്ട് ഓഫിനെ കുറിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾ അങ്ങനെ ഒരു ബോർഡേഡ് ആയിട്ട് കാര്യമില്ല നമുക്ക്. കാരണം നമ്മളെല്ലാം കട്ട് ഓഫ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ട്രെൻഡാണ്. ഹലോ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്, ആരോഗ്യ ചോദ്യം കട്ട് ഓഫിനെ കുറിച്ച് ഞാൻ പറയാം. നിങ്ങൾ കട്ട് ഓഫിനെ കുറിച്ച് വലിയ ബോർഡേഡ് കാര്യമായി. ലെറ്റ് us see what is happening. കാരണം കട്ട് ഓഫ് നമ്മളല്ലോ നിശ്ചയിക്കുന്നത്, ഓരോ വർഷത്തെയും മെറിറ്റ് ആണ് നിശ്ചയിക്കുന്നത്. ഇപ്പോ കഴിഞ്ഞ ഒരു 3-4 വർഷം മുമ്പ് 96 ഒക്കെ കട്ട് ഓഫ് ആയിരുന്ന സ്ഥലത്ത് ഇപ്പൊ 99 വരെ കട്ട് ഓഫ് ആയിട്ട് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം. Because you people are getting more marks nowadays. You apply, let us see what is happening. പിന്നെ അത് മാത്രമല്ല ഇനിഷ്യലി ഒരു മാസത്തേക്ക് അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും ആളുകൾ വന്നു പോയൊക്കെ ഇരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഇഫ് യു ആർ അലേർട്ട്, സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ആർ അലേർട്ട്, ഇപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് അലോട്ട്മെന്റ് കിട്ടുന്നില്ല, നിങ്ങൾ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും കുറച്ച് കൂടെ സീറ്റ് വയ്ക്കാനായിട്ട് അനൗൺസ്മെന്റ്സ് നമ്മുടെ വെബ്സൈറ്റിൽ വന്നുകൊണ്ടേയിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ വരുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ അലേർട്ട് ആയിട്ട് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഓപ്ഷൻസ് ക്ലിയർ ആണ്. കോളേജിൽ അപ്രോച്ച് ചെയ്യാം, അതിനനുസരിച്ച് നോക്കിയിട്ട് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ്. അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാൻ അറിയാവുന്നതാണ് നിങ്ങളോട് എനിക്ക് പറയുന്നത്.
Sir, there is one question. Sir, any preference for CBSE? There is no such preference. It's only based on the. No preference for CBSE, Kerala State like that. Principal, a message on the Nokita and Marabadi Parao. The CBSE board exams are cancelled outside India. We were given average marks on our cancelled subjects. Do we get a consideration? Illalo, namak angane cheyan pattilla.
You know better. Is it answered, Shinu? Has it been
we cannot even index the mark on the basis of award ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന മാർക്കിന്റെ ബേസിസിൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് ഇൻഡെക്സ് കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ.
I think some of the students cannot follow Malayalam, so you can speak in English. Yeah.
Okay. Or based on the marks awarded by the CBSE or state, whichever is the board, we can only calculate the index based on the marks that are awarded. We cannot give any special considerations for any stream, whether it is given on the basis of average or like that. Only what is presented in the mark list, we will calculate the index based on the mark given in the mark list.
Somebody, Rohit Menachiri, has asked about community quota. Rohit, it is as simple as that you have to complete the application form properly and make entries regarding your community properly. And there may be a provision for community quota also. You go through it and you have to tick the columns properly and made the entry regarding your community. If you belong to civil community, then only your community quota is in this college. So if you belong to that, you make an entry in that, then you are considered for community quota.
Sir, you can I? You will consider accounts mark for all percentage for BCom seats or any seats in the world.
Is it clear, Shinu sir, or somebody?
Not clear.
Please repeat that question once again. Something regarding accountancy. Please come again.
You will consider accounts mark or
you will get a mark 50 mark bonus if you have studied accountancy.
Sir, hello.
Yes.
Sir, my name is Vikram, sir. I'm talking from Tamil Nadu, sir.
Okay.
So, what's the cutoff for BBA, sir?
See, dear, we cannot speak about cutoff. It will be varying every year. Sometimes, please check with the website.
Sir, what I have one doubt, sir.
Yes.
For BCom, you will look accountancy mark or overall percentage.
There are 12 subjects that are considered for index marking in a bonus mark. 12 subjects: accountancy, bookkeeping, commercial practice, AFS, like that. There are 12 subjects listed in the prospectus. You will getting bonus marks for these subjects.
Hello.
Prospectus out ആയതാണോ?
Prospectus is published on the website. prospectus is published to the website. You can check it.
Already published?
Yes. Prospectus and application status is published. It's there.
Yeah. Okay. Candidate അവിടെ വേണമെന്ന നിർബന്ധമുണ്ടോ during the time of admission?
We cannot decide it.
Hello, sir. I'm having a doubt that.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
My doubt is accountancy mark. Accountancy mark is 95. From other is 92.
What? Not clear. Not clear. Can you please type your query?
Yeah, type.
The fee structure for the self-financing courses will be published by Friday.
No, I think there was a question to somebody regarding interviews. As such, the interview is there after your admissions only. So once you are given the HOD, and that's all. But for some programs, like I think BBA we are having an interview program most likely, and also for programs in the stream of communication, there's a test interview. Otherwise, generally for all of the programs there is no interview as such. There is only the merit-based ranking, and once you are admitted, you will have an interview with the principal and the
if I can interrupt.
No aided tripling means no aided tripling means we have only.
Hello.
Can everybody mute for a second? There are so many of you asking questions at the moment. Can I, this is Dr. Joseph George. So many of you have again asked on the cutoff. I've already pasted on the message box. Once again, people have just logged in. Last year cutoff for BCom aided was 99.8, BCom taxation self-financing was 98, BCom CA was 96, and BCom travel and tourism was 95. But every year it changes. And a query that was put in for by Vishakha Rani is, yes ma'am, we have a provision that is extra grace mark if you have NSS, NCC, or if your candidate is a Jawan or ex-Jawan's ward, you get extra additional mark during the admission process.
Yes,
Interview as like.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, my father is in defense, so will I get some quota?
Yeah, it is not quota. During the admission, you get an eligibility for additional marks. That is, there is a provision. We have 3 criterion for which extra marks are given. NSS 5 marks, NCC 10 marks, and the ward is a daughter or son of a Jawan or a military person, 15 marks. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's correct.
And to the query that was put in forward, Welton Joseph, please mute your mic and please mute your video for the time being. You can post your query on the, because so many people are speaking, we're not able to cater to everybody's questions. Please mute the mic. Tarun Bose, please mute your mic and please mute your mic, Tarun Bose. And another question that we'll ask to how to apply to the East Campus. East Campus is our new campus that will be inaugurated this year. And to that, in the prospectus is clearly mentioned, you can apply to the courses that is there. BCom, self-financing, all the streams will be there this year onwards. So you can just apply to the respective courses. Prospectus gives enough idea about the same. It is a new campus, and all the BCom programs, first years will be going into the new campus. Self-financing. New courses will be going to the new campus.
So, when are classes going to start for everybody?
Hello.
Welton Joseph.
when are classes going to start for everybody?
So, when
we have the classes. We still are not we can't give a final date on the same as exactly, unlike in last years when we're going to start the classes. This year we are also waited. So going by the current trend, we have to finish the admission process now. Too early for us to comment on an exact date, sir, at the moment. To be honest with you, we can't give a final date for the time. Yeah.
Sir,
we are focusing on the admission and the smooth conduct of the entire admission process. And for that, timeline is mentioned clearly. Kindly go through the prospectus, which speaks enough volume about the same, about the entire admission process. Okay, thank you.
So for those who have queried about a calculation of index mark. So it's clearly given in the prospectus. Mark obtained in part 3 optional at +2 equivalent exam, less if any handicap, plus a weightage of 50 mark in each of the 3 subjects of the commerce combination, subject to a maximum of 100 marks plus bonus marks if any. The optional subjects concerned under part 3 will be commerce, commercial correspondence, commercial geography, accountancy, bookkeeping and accountancy, economics, life insurance and salesmanship, banking with secretarial practice, business studies, mathematics, statistics, computer science bar computer application, informatic practice, management, informatic practice and management. For each of these subjects, you will get 50 marks each to a maximum of 100 marks. So whatever mark you obtained in part 3 optional plus a maximum of 100 marks if you have studied any one of these subjects. This will be the process of indexing.
Some of the students are asking about sports quota. Can you briefly explain it to them? Sports quota applications.
Sports quota based on the merit in sports, you will be given marks, and if the college has the event that you are participating, you will be considered. That is decided by the sports department. Physical education department will shortlist the names from the applications. You have to apply separately for.
I think there's a query regarding containment zone and stuff like that. Basically, what is required is that you are eligible for admission and you qualify according to your merit. Once you are in that process and you are admitted, then we can give some kind of leeway or consideration for your being in the containment zone. But it will all depend on how many days it will take. If it is an online kind of an admission, then we can still give you some consideration for that. And the physical presence, we will start the regular classes as it used to be. Then maybe we can give some consideration for a fixed period, maybe a week or so, depending on that. But admission will not be denied because you are in the containment zone, provided you give proper information regarding that. Okay.
Father, someone has asked about another attempt for the interview or online test for BA animation.
That part, if they have already attempted, then they'll have to get back to the department regarding that, whether one more chance is possible. But then if they have missed one, they will definitely get a chance again. If they have missed a chance, they will be given a chance again. But if they have already attempted, then a second chance is less likely, but they can approach the department regarding that. If required, we can provide them the numbers.
Someone has asked about if, sir, do we have interviews? If so, when will? Father?
Yes, regarding some programs, like those programs in communication, there is an interview and aptitude test process. That is part of the intake process. Whereas in most other programs, undergraduate programs, we don't have any other criterion but the merit. And once according to your exam-related scores, the merit is calculated, you are the rank list and you're selected. You come for an interview, not after once you are listed in the admission list. Then you come for an interview with the principal and the HOD. But that is not a pre-requirement.
It's given in page 15. Hello. It's given in page 15 of the prospectus. The bonus mark of 15 marks shall be awarded to applicants with NCC or NSS certificates at the +2 level for admission to all programs. In respect of NCC candidates, bonus mark will be awarded on the basis of NCC certificates signed by the director and issued by the director of NCC to the candidates who have secured at least 75% attendance. It's given in page 15. NCC is another 3 mark. Another 3 mark will be given for A certificate.
Sir,
Can you tell about the
Sir,
economics?
sir, one doubt,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
You will consider for the accountancy mark, page mark.
Sir,
For
can you speak about the economics?
mark.
Someone has asked about trial allotment. It will be done on trial allotment or provisional rank list will be published on 7th of August. 7th of August.
sir,
Sir, the
BCom
economics.
കുട്ടികളുടെ
Francis
Hello,
sir,
sir. I
there
have
is a
one doubt.
query.
Hello.
Francis sir, there is a query. Is there uniform for self-financing courses from this year?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. I scored 95 mark in accountancy, and
Okay.
other subject is 92. So I then so that become for this I am eligible for this.
It's not clear.
Hello.
Yes, student.
You could type your question.
Please type your question.
Type your question because your question is not clear.
Hello.
സാർ മാനേജ്മെന്റ് കോട്ട ബികോം സാർ ബികോം എയ്ഡഡിലേക്കുള്ള മാനേജ്മെന്റ് കോട്ടയ്ക്ക് സെലക്ടഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള കുട്ടികളുടെ ലിസ്റ്റ് എന്നാ ഇടുക?
Hello. Before it will be on the day of admission.
Is there a placement drive in your campus?
Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Can you hear?
Yeah.
Hello.
One, who is speaking now?
Hello.
Who is
Can you hear?
Yeah. Who is that?
Hello. Is it? Hello.
Yeah.
For BCom seat, you considering BCom for BCom, you will be considering overall percentage or accounts mark. You consider, sir.
Shinu sir, please answer that.
BCom we are considering the part 3 optional subjects mark alone. Part 3 optional. We are not considering the mark of English or second language. We are considering the mark for.
That is, I am asking. That is accounts mark. You will be considering, no?
For if you have studied accountancy, you will get a plus bonus mark of 50 mark. To a maximum.
So I'm not clear with your answers. I want to know whether you are be considering accounts mark for the BCom seat or overall percentage.
Madam, we are calculating the index mark like this. Whatever mark you have scored for part 3 optional subjects, you will be having 4 subjects in part 3 optional.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
Whatever mark you have scored for part 3 total plus, we have listed some 12 or 13 courses. For each of them, you will get 50 marks, bonus marks. If you have studied accountancy, commercial correspondence, or commercial geography, accountancy like that, you will be getting 50 marks each to a maximum of 100 marks. So out of that, if you are, that will be the criteria by which we are indexing the mark.
Okay. For management also the same, sir.
For management quota, you have to contact the number that is given in the prospectus or in the admission works portal.
Okay. Thank you.
Father Sebastian John, you have to contact him. He will be dealing with the seats related to management.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have a question.
Sure.
Hello.
Sure.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Through which website
see,
will I be able to apply to the East Campus?
shcollege.ac.in. www.shcollege.ac.in.
Sir, hello. Sir,
hello.
We have applied for self-finance management quota, and when this list will be published, I mean the final rank, the merit list of this one, or whatever you call it, the list, final list of the management seat.
Principal, sir.
Management seat list will be published.
Hello.
Before the admission list is published. Before the published.
Can you repeat?
Before the first allotment, the seats for management seat will be announced.
Okay, and you will be informing personally, right? We don't have to check the website, right?
No, you will be informed personally.
Very good. Okay.
Sir, when will
Thank
we
you.
get the first allotment?
11th of August.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, is there a separate application process for the East Campus?
Francis, sir. No, there is no separate application. You have to apply.
Hello.
Certain courses, certain programs are offered in the East Campus. When you apply for them, you will be naturally in the East Campus and you will not be in the old main campus. So it will depend on the course you apply for. If you're selected for a particular course which is offered in East Campus, you have to come to the East Campus only and not to the.
Hello, sir. Is there any placement provided in Essex College for BCom?
Pardon? I didn't get you.
Is there any placements offered in Essex College for BCom?
Yes, Santa Vijay. We have placements. Our placements are very strong. Companies like Deloitte, McKinsey are the regular visitors to our campus, and our students are steadily getting placed to some of the brilliant companies like McKinsey and Deloitte every year. We have a religious and a dedicated placement head and placement officer for ensuring this every year.
Hello. Hello, I am Bibi. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, you speak up.
ഹലോ യെസ് സാധാരണ എനിക്കറിയേണ്ടത് ഞാനൊരു CBSE സ്റ്റുഡൻ്റ്. അപ്പം സ്പോർട്സ് കോട്ട അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റിന് ഏറ്റവും വാല്യൂ ഉള്ള സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പം ഞങ്ങൾ സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ലെവലിൽ റണ്ണേഴ്സ് അപ്പ് ആയിരുന്നു, ക്ലസ്റ്റേഴ്സ്. അത് വാല്യൂ ഉണ്ടോ?
സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ലെവലിന് വാല്യൂ ഉണ്ട്. സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ലെവൽ ഏത് ഇവന്റാ? ബാസ്കറ്റ് ബോൾ. ടീം ഉള്ളതാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ ഇവിടെ അതിന് വാല്യൂ ഉണ്ട്.
ഓക്കെ. അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ എക്സ്ട്രാ എന്നെ സ്പോർട്സ് കോട്ട വേറെ കൊടുക്കണോ? വേറെ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണോ?
വേറെ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം.
ഇതല്ലാതെ അല്ല, ഞാൻ ഓപ്പൺ ഓൾറെഡി അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, അതല്ലാതെ ചെയ്യണം അല്ലേ?
അതിന്റെ കോപ്പി എടുത്ത് സ്പോർട്സ് കോട്ട എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് അതിന്റെ സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റ്സോട് അറ്റാച്ച് ചെയ്ത് കോളേജിൽ കൊണ്ടുവന്ന് സബ്മിറ്റ്. അതിന് ബോക്സുകൾ വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്, അവിടെ കൊണ്ട് ഇട്ടാൽ മതി.
കോളേജിൽ ഞാൻ കോട്ടയംകാരനാണ്, അപ്പൊ അവിടെ കൊണ്ടുവന്ന് സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം.
പോസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി.
പോസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ മതിയോ? കോപ്പി അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ.
Sir, is there interview for BCom Finance and Taxation?
No interview. It's purely on merit.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes.
For sports quota, I have participated in cluster level badminton competition. So, is there any consideration for that?
Cluster level means club. Or is it's a recognized tournament by state or CBSE?
Yeah, CBSE.
CBSE. Then it will be awarded marks. Cluster level. From district level onwards, you will get marks.
Okay, so what should I do for that?
You have to apply separately seeking for sports quota. You have to take a printout of your application, then write sports quota on its top, and you have to send it to college with
Sir,
the relevant certificate.
I have already applied online. So how will I again editing?
You can get a printout. You can get a printout and you can send it through post.
I have taken the printout and signed and sent to your mail with the cluster level badminton certificate also.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm a CBSE student and I have participated for Kabaddi team in CBSE level. So will I be included in sports quota? Will it be included in sports quota?
We have some criteria for
whether you apply on a sports quota sheet.
Indexing the mark.
Sorry, sir.
We have some criteria. We have certain criteria for indexing the mark.
Okay, sir.
If you get into that, and if we have a team, if the sports department is planning to have a Kabaddi team this year, we will consider it like that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Students, some of you are asking
whether
Please,
hello?
please all of you mute, or the principal is talking.
Some of you are asking whether it is necessary to apply in the MGU website. For your safety, it is better that you apply also in the MGU website. These are two different streams. When you apply in the MGU website, you will get access to all the colleges under the MGU University except the autonomous colleges. For the autonomous colleges like SH College, you will have to apply separately. So for your own safety, to ensure that you have more choices, it is safer that you also apply separately to MGU University website. So it is not mandatory.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Sir. Hello. BA Economics.
Hello, sir.
എക്കണോമിക്സിന്റെ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞുതരും.
എക്കണോമിക്സ് ആർട്സിന്റെ കൗൺസിലിംഗ് നാളെയാണ്. എക്കണോമിക്സിലെ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റിലെ ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് നാളെ ഉണ്ടാവും. യു ജോയിൻ ടുമോറോ.
Okay.
Do we have extra marks certificate in NCC?
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, I already applied for open quota. Is there any possibility to apply again for management?
Yeah,
You have applied online for
Open quota.
See, this management quota is a preference seat. It is not a merit seat. So if you want to try that channel, you can try. There is nobody to prevent you from doing that. But that will depend on how far are you in good disposition with the management and what favor are you doing for the management. It is dependent on that. It is not a merit seat. So there is no harm in you applying to that. No, please listen to me. All your queries have come and we have tackled them. Our time was up to 7 o'clock only. We are extending up to 7:15, but I request all of you to mute so that we will answer the queries which have come in the list once again. So generally, whatever questions have been raised will be once again addressed. So I request all of you to mute your microphones and listen to the responses from the side of the college. The resource person will be answering the queries which are coming. Okay, because we'll have to wind up by 7:15. There will be a repeat tomorrow. Maybe it will be through WebEx. Maybe you'll get another link, and you can also listen to that in case that is required. So please now mute all of you, and you will be getting responses from the side of Dr. Joseph George RD.
Okay, those of you have joined late, request you all to mute your microphones. Valentin Joseph, please mute your audio, video, please. We're running out of time. Please mute your video. Okay. Good evening once again to those of you who have joined late and just now. Please don't unmute your mic. Just to sum up the entire queries. Starting off, we had a very fruitful 1-hour session wherein you have a lot of more to ask. We'll continue the session tomorrow also. But today, as we wind up, on behalf of the college, Sacred College Management, I would like to brief you on this. We have hostel facility. College runs directly one boys hostel and one girls hostel. Within 2 kilometers radius of our college has agreement with many hostels that are in align with the terms and conditions of the college. So hostel facilities, we have enough and more, though the college has only 2, one dedicated hostel for boys and one for girls. Whether to apply, how to apply to the East Campus. East Campus is a new campus that will be inaugurated this year. And the courses offered there is basically the self-financing courses, BCom, BSc Psychology, etc. So your application to such courses entails your admission to the new East Campus. Cutoff mark varies every year. Just to mention, last year BCom aided we have 60 seats. 99.8 was the cutoff. BCom tax self-financing, last year the cutoff was 98%. BCom computer application self-financing, 96 was last year's cutoff. And BCom travel and tourism self-financing, 95 was the cutoff. Regarding sports quota applicants, whether you qualify district, state or national, always preference and weightage of mark increases as you go up the ladder. Whether you're an international player, you get a slightly higher score compared to a player who represented only at the state or the district level. So you have to give a separate application and your accompanying documents as just proposed by Shinu Alexa, the person, the coordinator of our admission cell. He's already mentioned to a few candidates, and those of you who joined late, apart from applying to the normal seats, if you want to give a preference seat on sports quota, you have to separately apply for the same and your hard copy of your certificates, you can post it by ordinary post or by any other means to our college office. The address of our college is mentioned in the college website, www.shcollege.ac.in. Management quota, as rightly Father Principal mentioned, it is not a merit seat, so you can come over to college. You can talk out with a management representative regarding that. Placements, we have a very strong placement cell, and over the years, we are very happy to share this news with you that college has been having the presence of fantastic prestigious institutions like Deloitte Company, McKinsey, etc., to name a few. So placements we have regularly, and placements will continue in larger rigor in the coming years, because we have Mark Index, it's part 3. Part 3, the core papers are taken and the index is calculated. There is no special preference for state students or CBSE students. The preference of the admission is given as an extra mark for students having NSS 5 marks, NCC, any wing of NCC, whether Army, Navy or Air Wing, you get 10 marks. And if you are a ward of a Jawan or a defense officer, you get 15 marks extra. And on the query that is put across regarding the fact that CBSE had to give average out marks because of the COVID pandemic situation, there is no preference as such that we can give, because we have a stipulated system. We have a decorum in which the admission process can be carried out. So in that case also, we won't be able to do any preferential preference for people coming from CBSE. We don't have any such preference. We can't do that. Those are some of the highlights that was mentioned. And I think admission process are different. For BA animation and the query that was put in, we have an entrance exam. The entire details of all the programs of this great institution is put in on the college website, as well as in the prospectus per se, whether the allotment dates, etc. Interview, the dates will be announced or clarified to each of the candidates as and when we finalize the result and the list of people making it to the first allotment and thereafter the second allotment. Those of you who want to make an edit, small corrections or edit, in the college prospectus, clearly there are numbers mentioned. You may call up tomorrow morning in the office time, 9 to 4:30, wherein you will have assistance to make edit of your respective application forms. And interviews will be followed thereafter. Candidates will be informed about the same, about when the interview. Right now, we are focusing on the smooth conduct of the entire admission process, the timelines of when to give the application. First allotment, second allotment is clearly mentioned in the prospectus, requesting all the parents listening to me and who apply to our institution. Thank you for your interest in our great college. Please go to the prospectus at the college website once again. You will have, and for any final clarification further, tomorrow on the same time, on the same link, we are available for further discussions. With that, I'll ask Father Principal to kindly wind up the session for the day. On behalf of everybody and the management of the college, I thank everyone for taking interest and coming up with your queries and doubts. We're still there for you for any assistance, but the request is go through the prospectus once again, read it thoroughly. It explains many of your queries. Thank you.
My dear students and prospective students and parents, my dear teachers, thank you for being with us during this hour and quarter. We are very happy for your interest in joining Sacred Heart College. You're welcome to this green campus, this scenically beautiful campus. You're welcome to make it more beautiful by your presence. But before we conclude, we came to know that there are many messages being sent to you from various sources giving offer that they will be supporting you in the admission process, clarifying your doubts. So it is safer that you don't get misled by the kind of communication you are getting from unauthorized sources, especially those who are politically motivated to spread such kind of an atmosphere on and off the campus. So that is not warranted, and you are always welcome to clarify. We've given a few numbers for you to clarify. I am sure that you will be finding it difficult to get through because that is engaged from morning till evening. So they are all being asked or pressed with queries from people like you all through the day. So please bear with when there is no, you are not getting connected. But all the same, you can send a message, you can WhatsApp, and they will try to respond to you in due course as soon as possible. Somebody is asking about payment, which is made and not succeeded, or maybe succeeded and you're not getting the proper information. You can contact those numbers and something will be done to rectify that. Whatever you have made, if your paid extra, that will be definitely repaid, provided you bring a proof regarding that. So I hope that with those kind of information for today, we will wind up. Tomorrow, maybe we will offer another platform, because it seems that many people couldn't get on to this and get clarified. So maybe we are going to offer a WebEx platform with many more people to be able to log in at the same time. And you're also welcome in case you have a new query, or you're also free to share this kind of information with your friends and your parents. May the Sacred Heart of Jesus bless us all. And now, as we wind up, we are also once again presenting the presentation prepared by a faculty member, Father Sabu. You can watch it if you have time, and if you have missed the initial presentation, which will give you a feel of the campus. Thank you all. Good night.
Sacred Heart College is an autonomous college affiliated to MG University in the state of Kerala. It was established in 1944 by the Carmelites of Mary Immaculate, CMI, a Catholic religious order for men. The founding fathers of the college are Reverend Father John Berkman, CMI, and Reverend Father Francis Salas, CMI. The college started with 3 intermediate and 3 degree programs affiliated to Madras University. The college has won R. Sankar Award for the best college in the state by the Kerala government twice. UGC has granted the college the position of a college with potential for excellence. It has been in the best in the state and among the best 50 in the country by India Today Week National Ranking Survey all through the years. It is also been ranked as one of the premier institutions in the country by the National Institutional Ranking Framework. SH College has bagged overall championship in the MG University Cultural Fest in the last 3 years. The college also excels in sports by winning many sports events of the university such as cricket, handball, basketball, volleyball, etc. all through its history. The college is proud to be a breeding ground of many luminaries who are serving the state and the nation in various fields. Motto of the college: Cor Rectum Ingrid Scientiam, means a righteous heart seeks after wisdom. The vision of the college: fashioning of an enlightened society founded on relentless pursuit of excellence, a secular outlook on life, a thirst for moral values, as well as an unflinching faith in God. Mission of the college: to provide an environment that facilitates the holistic development of the individual, that enables the students to play a vital role in the nation building process and contributes to the progress of humanity, that disseminates knowledge even beyond the academia, that instills in the students a feel for frontier disciplines and cultivates a concern for the environment by setting lofty standards in the ever-evolving teacher-learner interface. Based on the vision and mission, the college has identified 8 Hartian attributes which will lead the students to have a Hartian DNA as they complete the course. Hartian graduate attributes. 1. Faith in God and faith in oneself. Since the college is run by a Catholic Christian management, the very first attribute it envisions to instill in the students is an unflinching faith in divine providence that will unfailingly lead them to have a greater self-confidence. 2. physical and mental fitness. The college believes that only a physically and mentally fit person can contribute substantially to the society towards nation building. 3. Self-awareness and emotional intelligence. That is the need of the hour, as both these attributes could empower an individual into encounter any challenging situations in life. 4. Intercultural and ethical mindset, evidenced through enthusiasm to serve humanity and the planet. The college organizes social service programs for the students in accordance with its conviction that education does not serve its purpose unless it propels him or her into serving humanity and the planet. 5. Critical thinking, problem solving skills and research aptitude. These are major attributes expected of an academic scholar, as they would enable him or her to be free of bias and to have intellectual integrity. 6. Deep discipline knowledge. The academic environment and experience on the campus are sure to deepen the domain knowledge of the students in their respective disciplines. Seven, readiness to take the first step, leadership qualities. The college organizes many additional skill development programs and add-on courses so that the students at the end of their course will emerge as inspiring leaders. 8. Teamwork and communication skills, career readiness. The college empowers its graduates to be great team members with efficient communication skills so that they could be employable at any part of the globe. Sacred Heart College has crossed 75 glorious years in its journey as a Platinum Jubilee project. A new campus offering various self-financed courses is on its way of operation. May the Sacred Heart of Jesus, the patron, guide the college into greater heights of glory. Thank you.
Musing on the timeless truth sublime. Sick inside a gleam on flaming wings. Sacred Heart.